Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Steam's pop-up ads and other relaunch pop-ups. This is a great way to enjoy a cleaner and distraction-free gaming experience. First, open your Steam application. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click the Interface tab. Look for the option that says Notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming release. Uncheck this box to disable Steam's pop-up ads and update notifications. To confirm your changes, switch to another tab and return to Interface to make sure the box remains unchecked. And that is it. You have just turned off Steam's pop-up ads and relaunch notifications. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.